This is the elevator at the First Presbyterian Church in Youngstown, Ohio. Look at this. It's an old Dover jail block. I've never seen a Dover with this style jail block, but it's basement. Here, get out. Because it's Dover Oildraulic, it looks completely old third party. It's interesting. Here's the basement. It says on the certificate it's a rotary. Interesting. There's like a community room with a piano. Up to 3, here you go. Three's burned out. Some of that. I wanted down at 2. The church office is right by the elevator on the first floor. It's a basic old figuring cabinet. I think this is used from the 50s or 60s. Here are 2. Highlight, we're going to end it down at 1. Okay. Interesting. I thought someone was getting on. That's very weird. Just went to the 3rd floor and the door didn't open and went back down. That's so weird.